Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Superintendent of Police ka West Khasi Hills Bikram Marak MPS ulong baka jingle jong ka dorbar Shnong ti sao nong stan West Khasi Hills ban khangla di ki ba ban pen men sawat ban shim ya ka an ha ka ti Halor ka Jingduh sha penyap ka long kami hapo ka Shnong kala long ka nuksa ka ba ban pen I sha ka perthai baka dorbar Shnong ka long ka ba shai bat ka ba tip ya ka an barula pen paru ka Sngewsih Halor ka Jingduh no ki Tylli ki Mynsiem ba kordor Hendai da ka Shimkhia ka dorbar Shnong la yo ban kem no yo Runar ka balong ka bakong santam. Ya ka ni nakliang OSP ulapan pa ha bakren ka jingelang ya ka tanat pulet ka West Khasi Hills ling ba ka office ka jong u. Wala yo ban penlong ha ka janmi jong ka arpaway terik ubnay rempang arajar atu saw ha dorbar hall ka Shnong ti saw. Ban penkop buram ban ay kusnam siya ka Shnong ti saw. Da ka sirnot bat ka song pisa siya uba mundakar sordar ka Shnong ti saw. Haka ni kasngi la sak hilang ru dikipat ba nong Shnong ka Shnong ti saw. Haka jinga don lang uba Herbert Karkongor DPS ka Tanat Crime ka West Khasi Hills District, uba Steve Carmendai OC ka Nongstein Police Station, bat kiwe ki riurang ba jong ka Shnong ti saw. Katika kusnam ya ka ba ka Tanat Pulit ka West Khasi Hills sing ba ka Office USP, kala ay siya ka Shnong ti saw. Kalong Halor ka nong rim jong ka jinglong slur ki kana samla jong ka Shnong, kibla kem yu uba biang kupar nong siit. Wala shim jubore ka jingem jong ka wan sara len wan yang, kabade ka kurim jong u, ringkat ikun ibahak po. Dang ha kini kita yaw kibala dem, ha ka jingjia kabala jaha ka teka Shnong ti saw. USP ula ongru bakumba ula dep ban kren ban nakaliang joki pulit, gin penti kena ba Runar unyo ya ka jingpan saja ka bating ya ka kamsniyo ka bula le, kanang baka nong ka nuksa baka imlang kasalang, bat ki waypat ki badon jingtmu bane ki kamsniyo, kiram nuot syu. Bat ka ni ka jing ay kusnam kalong tangkum ka dak ban pen I, baling ba ka jingi tray lang ki bor Shnong, anla ban penya jan bat ki bor jong ka an, kamtam ka tanat pulit ban te lakam ki kamsniyo.
Which this Dorbar had shown is an exemplary work which is shown to the world in fight against crime against women. But unfortunately, yes, it is regret to say that we lose two precious lives. But at the same time, with your help, with the cooperation from the Dorbar, we managed to get the perpetrator, which is very much more important. And like I was discussing in the DC chamber also, yes, from our department side, we assure not 100%, 110%. We will ensure that this perpetrator get maximum of imprisonment for the wrongdoings that he has done. And this will set an example in the society that anybody who have a bad intention will not dare to do it next time. And for all your cooperation, as a small token of love, we have met a certificate of appreciation and a monetary token of love to be given to the Dorbar for the cooperation that you have given us in curtailing the crime, which is very important for us, for the police. That is how we build the relationship, police-public relationship. And I want to stress a little bit more on the drugs scenario, the dangerous point which is coming up and engulfing our youth. See, don't just pass the burden to the police. Every time my son, my children are drug addict, they call the police thana. It should not be like that. You notice any unusual things in your children, immediately try to talk to your son, to your daughter. Normally what happens we ignore our children, because yes, I understand we are in the busy world. Everybody is busy. We are engaged in our daily works. We go out, we come home late. What our children are doing sometimes, since we are tired, we tend to sideline. But as an SP, I am requesting all the parents, please monitor and do surveillance on your children. If they are going out with whom? If they are staying outside, staying out with whom? Little bit of caring should be given to them. If you see any unusual things, talk to them, counsel to them, and I do agree with doctor that bring it to the notice of the Dorbar or the senior citizens in the village, so that we can counsel them. We can show them the good path. If it is very extreme, we can give them the medical help, rehabilitation help. So these are the things which are required if anyone has gone into the addiction mode. Because this addiction leads to small crimes and leads to big crimes. So when we can stop it in the nascent stage, then we can protect that particular person from grievous addiction and committing grievous crimes. A changing scenario in the social media world, we can get distracted or carried away at any point of time. So not only drugs, the most addictive is smartphone now. The most addictive is smartphone. So that also it should be in control. So many parents come to me and complain that my children, my son, my daughter, always in the phone, smartphone. What are they doing? They said they don't know. Yes, it's a system to be blamed also, because school syllabus, school homework, everything comes online now. And on top of that, now you have to take a reference from the Google. That's why we call it Google Mama. Na? Anything, people search from the Google. So in this changing scenario, we have to adapt to it also, but at the same time, we have to bring restrictions. We cannot let it go, let it open all the doors and windows and go out of the boundary. Please remember these two things. And once again, before I end my speech, I really thank from my department, the Dorbar, the relatives, the family members, and all the residents of this village. A big thank you from the police department.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center